Let's take a look at the heart of our application, the Results section. You can access this section by clicking on the Results link in the navigation bar. Before you can see any results, you need to select a text and a table from the available preset files or files that you have uploaded. For this demonstration, I want to investigate the use of personal pronouns in The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. So I will select The Happy Prince as text and a table containing English personal pronouns with their respective gender. By clicking on the blue Load Results button, the results for the selected text and table will be loaded if they have already been computed before. If this is the first time that results are requested for this particular combination of text and table, the results will need to be computed first. Depending on the size of the text and table, this may take some time. After the results have been computed and or loaded, you can choose between different search options and output types. Here, your selected search options have a direct impact on the output you see. Let's take a look at the frequency table to demonstrate this. This table shows the number of search matches found for each key in the text. At the moment, we are in the Search the Keys as They Are mode. That is, the keys you have supplied via your table are used exactly as they are to find matches in the text. Or, in other words, he, starting with an uppercase letter, will not be matched to he with lowercase letters. However, you can choose to ignore case by clicking on the Ignore Case checkbox. As you can see, the key frequencies in the results table will be automatically updated based on your selected search options. Finally, by clicking on the option Lemmatize, your keys will be matched against a lemmatized version of the text. This means that all inflected forms of a word are treated as belonging to the same word. And if you search for book in this mode, the plural books is also counted. Personal pronouns are also lemmatized in WordValue. If you provide the word he as a key, it will also be matched with the words his or him in a text. Consequently, if you use lemmatized mode in this example, all occurrences of male pronouns will be summed under the key he, and all occurrences of female pronouns under the key she, etc. This setting is very useful to get accurate results regarding the distribution of personal pronouns by gender. For example, we can see that male pronouns occur more than 4 times as often as female pronouns in The Happy Prince. If you want to take a more visual approach, you can use the colored text output type, which is selected by default. Here, you can select an attribute, that is a column from the results table, and a data type for this attribute. The color options you'll see will differ depending on the data type selected. For a more in-depth tutorial on these options, please take a look at our other video, How to Color Code Words in Context. You can find the link in the video description. For now, I'm only interested in the distribution of gender in The Happy Prince. So I will select the gender attribute and the categorical data type from the drop-down menu. This way I can choose a color for every type of gender, male, female, and unmarked. I will also reduce the visibility of every word in the text that does not match any of the personal pronouns, so I can focus more easily on what I'm interested in. As you can see, the colored text will automatically update each time you change one of the options. Now I can go through the text and get an intuitive feel for the distribution of gender in The Happy Prince. You can also copy and paste the colored text into programs such as Microsoft Word, so you can save them for later.